Hey guys, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and in today's video we are going to be rocking this hair, honey. So this is a blonde hair tutorial. I was so tempted to do something else with this wig, but I don't really have any blonde wigs. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna tone her and leave her as B. So she is a 28 inches, honey, and this is the longest I've ever worn in 613 hair. I've done 30 inches in dark hair, but never in blonde, and honey, I was getting my entire life. So let me just jump into this tutorial and stop rambling. The hair that I'm wearing today, it is from West Kiss Hair, and I've used their hair before in the past. I've actually used their bundles to make a lot of my wigs. I've used it in a lot of my wig tutorials, but today I'm going to be trying out their wig. So the wig is 28 inches and it's a 13x4 frontal lace wig. So it's not a full lace wig. And you guys, the quality of this hair, this 613 hair, was actually very, very impressive. And I was really feeling the quality of this hair. You can always tell how good a hair is, especially after you tone it. But make sure you guys check out other reviews on this hair as well. Don't just take my word for it. Okay, so I decided to add some roots to the hair. So I'm using the Wella Color Charm 4N411 with the Salon Care Cream Developer in number 10. And I already applied some Vaseline to the lace just to protect it so I don't stain the lace. And I'm going in with this little tiny comb brush thingy to do the roots. And you guys, I will be honest with you, I am not the best when it comes to roots. I've had some roots that are like, yes, these are bomb, and I've had roots that I'm just like, what the hell is this? So yeah, I am not a professional, you guys, and I'll be honest with you, I was not very happy with the way the roots turned out on this wig. I was kind of upset about it, but whatever, we got to keep going. So I let it stay on for about I think 10 minutes. I followed the instructions and then I washed it out. It looks a little dark right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and tone the hair with some Wella Color Charm T27, and I'm gonna be using the same Salon Care Cream Developer in 10. All the hair products I use will be listed in the description bar down below. So I'm just gonna tone the hair to get rid of some of that yellow. I don't want it to be that, you know, Barbie yellow. I want it to be more of a cool tone blonde. So I'm going to go over the hair and add this all over it, and the instructions are really easy to follow. So I let it sit on the hair for about, I think, 15 minutes, and then I wash it out off camera. I didn't use a purple shampoo because I find that the purple shampoo is just going to make the hair look too silvery, and that's not the look I was going for. So now I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, as you guys can see, and just blow her out and straighten the hair off camera. I use the same flat iron that I always use. Sorry I did not get to include that clip in the video. Okay, so let's move on to wig application. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wig. I already put my wig on halfway, and I do have very detailed videos on how I apply my wigs. And you guys, this is how our roots is looking. She is not the best, okay? She's looking a little raggedy, but we're just gonna have to make it work. I already messed it up, can't fix it right now. But I'm just gonna go in with some Got To Be hairspray and just melt down my lace, and I'm using my eyebrow razor, and I'm gonna go in with my scissors as well to cut off all that excess lace off the side. And I'm gonna go in with some Ghost Bond lace glue. I haven't used this lace glue in forever, but I'm just gonna apply her down. Apply a thin layer. My layer is looking a little bit thick, and I'm just giving my baby a kiss. Look at my little mama, she's so cute. Yeah, let me go back in and just blow dry that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer on a cool setting. I do have very detailed videos on wig applications. I will list it in the description bar down below. I already went ahead and I tweezed the hairline as well because it needed some tweezing. Not a whole lot of tweezing, but I went in and tweezed it. Now guys, with this wig, it is a 13x4 lace front wig. However, if you're somebody who likes to wear really deep side part, you're not going to be able to with this wig. I find that the side, the parting is not very deep at all. However, the middle part is deeper. So if you want to rock a middle part, you can go ahead and do so. Now, if you're going to add any kind of baby hair to your wig, you want to do that before you apply the hair mousse. So I went ahead and I applied my hair mousse because I was just like, you know what? I don't want to have a lot of baby hair because I feel like the lace looked good enough anyways. So I applied the hair mousse, and then I went ahead and I tied it down with a hair scarf. And I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is how she is looking. I know, you guys, the roots are a mess, but just pretend like you don't see that. But yeah, this is how she's looking, and I was kind of annoyed with it, but whatever. The wig itself looks good. The hair is bomb. And I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb. This one is the Andis brand. I love it. It's just gonna flatten down the wig, and I'm just gonna put some more of that hair mousse and go back in with the hot comb just to flatten her down. As for hair products, I use my hair serum. It's the only thing I use in my wigs when I'm not using like hairspray to curl the hair, but I just use some ion hair serum, and it just makes the hair look nice and shiny. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of baby hairs just to the side. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because, you know, I don't really like heavy baby hairs on me. It doesn't really suit me. So yeah, this is pretty much how the wig is looking. I love, love, love the tone of blonde. I love the quality of this hair. It is freaking amazing. And I'm probably gonna order another wig from them because I want to do something colorful with this super long hair. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, I know it was quick and easy. If you enjoy, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.